love working with silk, but many people are intimidated by this gorgeous fiber. I'm Katrina Walker. In this workshop, we're going to explore the amazing world of silk, from its humble origins to the most common silk fabrics that we're going to find in stores and online. Along the way, I'll teach you 4 simple tests to determine whether your silk fabric will work with your sewing design. You'll be astounded at how easy it is to work with silk that has been stabilized. And of course, I'll be teaching you ways to sew specialty seams to make beautiful silk garments, including designer seam finishes and specialty hems. You'll even sew chiffon without tears. So follow me and let's sew silk fearlessly.